Hey guys, it's me Sarah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making some Konafa. So let's get started. The ingredients we're going to be needing are icing sugar, pudding, syrup, melted ghee or butter, and Konafa dough. All of the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box down below. Let's go.
You're gonna grease the molds now.
These ones over here I'm going to leave empty with no sides, so when they come out of the oven I can put Nutella on them. Then these ones have sides, so I can add some custard to them. So let's start. Now let's spread them out. Now I'm going to cover the top of our Konafa with some more Konafa dough. And most importantly, I'm going to clean up after that so my mom doesn't shout at me. Now let's pop them in the oven. Since I have some extra dough, I'm going to try and make sort of like a cupcake shape. Now it's ready to be put in the oven. The Konafa just came out of the oven and it's pretty hot, and I also have my syrup here that's at room temperature, and we're going to put some syrup on our Konafa. We're done making our Konafa, and once you serve it, you can add fruits or nuts in the middle. I hope hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And follow me on Instagram at Sarah